Hello friends, today we are discussing 10 steps to write a best prescription. Welcome to our channel, just watch it. The first step is self-introduction. In this section, we first wish to the patient and introduce ourselves. It will make easy to do further steps. The second step is history taking. In this section, you should first take the chief complaint of patient and then take the another histories. The third step is visual acuity. In this section, we must record 3 visual acuities. The first one is uncorrected visual acuity, the second one is pinhole visual acuity, and the third one is visual acuity with PG or conductance. The fourth step is inspection of old glass. First we will check the power of his glass and the lens type. Then we will get an idea about his refractive error. The next step is objective refraction. In objective refraction we mainly use AR and retinoscopy. The sixth one is subjective refraction. In subjective refraction we mostly need patient response and cooperation, and also we need good lighting and comfortable sitting position. Then the next step is refinement. In this section we should confirm the power and axis of the patient. We can use JCC like instruments to confirm the axis. The eighth step is binocular balancing. In this step we should check the patient's binocular vision. The next one is prescription verification. In this section we just show to the patient the difference between the old power and the new power. The last one is prescription explanation. Make the patient to understand what his condition and the needs of his class.
Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe our channel.